people start to turn down Curzon because they have nowhere to go. Here we go. See one-way street. Happens all the time. Somebody double parks and nobody can get through. It's about 3 blocks long. People sit there laying into the horn, fighting, because they have nowhere to go. This is all the time. Who wants to listen to this? And it's impossible for people to back up because it's about 3 blocks. By the time they get towards the end, somebody makes a turn and boxes them in and they have nowhere to go. So everybody starts to just turn down this one-way street. It's wide enough to make a 2-way street because there's no parking. And you can make it where there's a left onto 116th Street. Make it better for the whole entire community. People are definitely sick of this. The DOT's been notified. They don't do anything.